How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if the primary and general tabs are not showing in your Instagram DMs. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to the chat page by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner. So once you land on this page, if you are not able to see the primary and the general tab in this message or the chat page, that means your account is not switched to professional account. So in order to fix the primary general DM option, you have to switch your personal account to professional account, and here's how you can do it. So for that, you have to go back to your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner, and here scroll down a bit. And there you have a section that says for professional. There is an option as account type and tools. Tap on it. Once you're here, tap on the first option, switch to professional account. Here tap on next, and here you have to follow all of the prompted instructions carefully. So select what describes you best. So according to your profile, you have to select one from here. Then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next and make sure to follow all of the prompts that you see in your interface. Now at the last step, you have to set up your professional account, where you have to complete your profile by adding details like website or bio. And there are more other options as get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, introduce yourself, tell us your goal, to learn about how ad works. So you can complete all of the steps, and once you're done with that, you will have a complete professional account setup. But if you want to discard it, you can simply tap on at the top left corner, and if you press your home page, you're already on the professional account. Now if you navigate to your chat page by tapping on the home icon, and now go to your chat page, and there you have the general and primary tab. So in this way you can fix Instagram not showing primary or general option. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.